Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I'm excited to share my simple and delicious one-pan chicken and rice. Here are the ingredients. Chicken thighs, rice, cayenne pepper, paprika, black pepper, garlic salt, spinach leaves, fresh parsley, cherry tomatoes, garlic, red bell pepper, onion. Start by slicing enough garlic to measure to tablespoons and slice half a cup of parsley. After that, thinly slice onions until you have 2 tablespoons. Slice half of a red bell pepper. Remove the cherry tomatoes from the stem and slice them. Thinly slice the red bell pepper. Season the chicken. Sprinkle a half teaspoon of garlic salt evenly over the chicken. One teaspoon of black pepper. One teaspoon of paprika. One teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Flip the chicken and repeat the seasoning on the other side. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Fry the seasoned chicken thighs for 2 minutes on each side. Cover the pan while frying to ensure the heat penetrates the chicken. Remove the chicken and set aside. In the same pan, melt 1/4 cup of butter. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Then add 1/4 cup of minced onion. 1/4 cup of cherry tomatoes, and 1/2 of red bell pepper. Sauté for 2 minutes until fragrant. Add 1 cup of rice-a-roni, or regular rice, to the pan. Sauté for 2 minutes to coat the rice with the flavors. Pour in 4 cups of chicken broth. Stir briefly, then place the chicken back into the pan. Cover and cook on low heat for 20 minutes, or until the chicken and rice are fully cooked. In the last 2 minutes of cooking, add 1/2 cup spinach to the pan. Stir gently and cook until the spinach wilts. Garnish the dish with additional parsley before serving. Enjoy your flavorful one-pan chicken and rice dish. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Thanks for watching.